The question is, do I need a new laptop stand for my computer? No. Okay, yes. Okay, welcome back to the ranch. Today I'm going to build a laptop stand for the computer because I clearly, desperately need one. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm using a piece of scrap lumber from that bed build I did before. If you haven't seen that one, I'll put a link up here. Anyway, I had these 1 foot pieces left over, a couple of them, and I decided I wanted to do this. So this is just making the measurements for the design. The plan was to do this arch design. I had no template for it, so it was really just trying to draw it out and then go make some cuts. There, I'm just trying to make sure that arch is equal on both sides. It's time to start cutting. Obviously, this probably wasn't the ideal way to do this, but I'm working with what I got at this point. So I'm back inside, just doing the other side, making sure the measurements kind of match up as close as I can. With something like this, obviously, you can do rough out with it, and then do small little chisel work and sanding, and that sort of thing really helps it in the end. But this was this was probably not what these chisels thought they were going to be doing that day. Like, what are you doing, man? There's so many better tools for all of this. Yeah, don't bother actually anchoring anything down. Nah. It's a lot of weird. Now, I'm trying to figure out a way to take the bottom part of it out, and I was just making up some random support for it. It kind of worked. Mostly didn't. So now, starting to take a rough shape, but it's really just supposed to be this thin arch. So I'm back at it with that saw, trying to get in there. The skill saw, the blade just isn't long enough to really do anything. Not the one I have. So you can kind of see now with the line I've cut, you can kind of see what I'm going for there. It's just this arch. It's pretty straightforward. Until that happened. So my chiseling lost a little triangle piece. So I'm looking at it right now and I'm thinking, oh, well, I can still salvage that. It's got 2 feet on that side. That's no problem. I'll just run the power cords from the computer through there. Actually, hey, great. That'll be no problem. So I just kept at it. I thought, well, I'll make the best of it. I can fix that with sanding later. Oh, man. And here it comes. Wait for it. Here we go. Wait. Oh, no! Oh, my God. I was pissed. So now, I'm thinking to myself, oh, I can still save it. It'll just be shorter. I'll lop off this part of the leg right here. And I'll just make a shorter stand. So now I'm like, oh, is it still going to hold the computer? Now, listen. Crack. Yep. I was just, oh my God. And I just can't believe it. Dumbfounded. And that's that. So here's what I think went wrong. The wood, first of all, I didn't have the wood set running, I didn't have the wood grain running the proper direction. It was too weak. Obviously having the right tools would have helped, or so I thought, because I had a second piece of the same scrap 6x6. I took it to a buddy's workshop and I used his bandsaw and I cut out that same arch. It looked really nice. I brought it home and I tried to use a drill and a jigsaw to finish the little extra cuts and stuff, the groove where the computer fits and everything. The whole thing crumbled and fell apart on me on round 2 as well. So I don't know. If you have ideas, let me know down in the comments. I'd really like to know what you think. But that aside, I think I'm going to go with plan 3, which is make the design that I made out of cardboard originally. Well, thanks for being here for that one. Obviously, things didn't go as planned, but that's the name of the game. Sometimes you... it was fun to at least give it a shot. I hope in part 2 I will actually get it done for real this time, so stick around for that. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing. Tap that bell icon if you want notifications. And until next time, so long from the ranch.